tea here. Then from 11 sharp we start to go. And we plan to start that job bit earlier, so as we can have enough time to go without pressure, and also to go pole pole as much as our pace. And also, you know, sometimes when I think majority of people, they used to start around 12. So when you start at the same time with them, this part here, it used to be a lot of jam. So when we start a little bit earlier, it will help us to go a little bit before jam. Normally it takes like 5 hours to 6 hours from here to Stella Point, which is the first peak. Then 45 minutes to 1 hour from Stella Point to the highest peak. During the night, when we walk, we expect to spend those hours, like I said, approximately 7 hours from here to there. The highest peak means the sunrise, we can get it maybe sometime before Stella Point, or all the way to the highest peak, or at highest peak. So if we walk and we do not get sunrise all the way, we do not wait for it, we just keep going until the highest peak. During the night also, you cannot drink as much as you drink during the day. So you can have 2 bottles. The Camelback that you have, you can refill it up to half, because that one you can use it like 2 or 3 hours of the beginning. Then after, you will start to use the bottle. So that bottle is better to put in your backpack, because it's a good idea to start to use the Camelback. So when it gets freezing, is where you can shift to use the bottle that you'll put in your backpack during the night. And also, at the top, when we reach there, we do not spend long time. We're just having the picture a few minutes, then we start to come back.
Take another Diamox up there or not?
You can take it, because if you will not take it all the way during the midnight, you can take it up there or all the way down, because we will still being at high altitude. From up there, come back here. It's normally take like 2 hours to 3 hours. So when you come back here, you take in between 1 hour and 2 hours to rest. Then after you wake up, you pack your things, you eat something, then you start to go down. So we have two thoughts that we should we want to share with you. That normally when you came back, we go to Mweka, which it's normally take like 4 hours from here to the Mweka camp. But there is camp here in between, which is 2 hours from here to that camp, and it's almost 4,000. So we want to share with you that I don't know how you think. If we come back here and we go to Mweka, maybe it will be a little bit longer when you compare that we come from Summit, or we sleep at Millennium or High Camp. But to sleep at Millennium or High Camp means that the last day we will be supposed to start a little bit earlier, because we go direct to the gate, because also it is our last day. So we can try to think of that, then we shall see at the end. Before I finish the briefing, we can discuss together on how we can do that. But during the night, it's very important to make sure that you wear warm enough, to make sure that you prepare enough warm gears with you, to make sure that you have a headlamp, you have the things like barack lever because sometimes it's wind. Walking sticks is very important, unless even if you don't use when you go up, it's a good idea to put in a backpack. By the time when you come down, it can be useful. On the shoes, it is for me, I wear 2 pairs of socks. Some people who their shoes having enough space, they used to wear 3 layers, like 3 pairs of socks. So it's depend on your shoes, on how you feel the space and how warm you feel normally. If you feel like 2 socks can be comfortable, you can have it. But if you feel that cannot be enough, you can add. Gloves. It's a good idea to have 2 gloves. The liner gloves, some people they used to wear only that liner gloves. For me, I used to wear only a liner glove. Most of the time I do that because most of the time I used to put my hands in my pocket. So for you, sometimes because you take the walking stick, so you can have the liner gloves plus big gloves. When you feel warm, you can put on. You can put off. If also you have those warmers, you can take it with you. Sometimes can be useful. And also about layers that you can cover this part here. It's depend on how warm you feel. But it's a good idea to make sure that you are warm enough. By the time when you feel much warm, you can put off. When you feel more warm, you can put off and you can put in a backpack. And when you left behind some layers that you have, and you go up, sometimes you need, and it's very difficult to get it from here back. If you have things like camera, it's better to put in a warm place. For instance, if you put like the pocket like here or somewhere, it's very good because when you put in outside pocket, sometimes people they reach at the top, they want to take the photos and the phone is frozen or the camera is frozen. So it's a good idea to put in your warm places. And also if you have things like have valuable things, it's a good idea to take it with you. You have some monies. If you have anything that is valuable, put on a backpack and go it with you. In your tent, you don't need to pack anything because by the time when you come back, you have enough time to pack. So you don't need to pack it this night. And sometimes also, because it's a lot of it's public camping here, because it's a lot of people, sometimes we tell our people come in your tents by the time that you go to the summit, and they come with their sleeping bag and they sleep in for make sure that everything is remain safe. If you have anything like extra pills, Panadol, ibuprofen, this Diamox, as I said, half morning, half evening, and half by the time that you wake up, and all the way if you will feel more not good, you can add. So it's I think, and also we used to carry the tea, ginger tea, for you all the way up. So I used to ask that if it's okay for ginger tea, or it's maybe you need tea bag, or which kind of tea, because we used to
Anything hot.
Anything hot. Okay. I think ginger is good. Okay.
So we need 2 litres of water. That should be enough.
I think 2 liters can be enough. Because during night, normally all the day you use how much liter?
2.5
2.5
maximum.
maximum.
Sometimes 2.
Sometimes, yeah. I think because it's during the night you can have 2. Because during the night you don't drink as much as drink. And also, when you feel bad and you feel different, you let us know. And we plan to stick on the same group, unless if we will reach at say some point where we think to split the group, we'll do that. And we'll be 3 of us, me, Halifa and Rashid. Yes. And therefore, if you feel anything different, you can share with us, then we can discuss on what we can do. Yes, so unless if you have any question.
So at 10 o'clock we need to be here.
10 o'clock, wake up, 10:30. Yeah. Yeah.